I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at my Manna Pro Chick Starter and Grower Crumbles. So these are great if you have baby chickens and you're trying to raise them up to about 24 weeks, I would say, the point where they're starting to lay. This is great to go all the way from when they're tiny, tiny little chicks up to that point, juveniles and beyond. And it's gonna have a different mix of proteins and fats and things than you would need for laying hens. It's really intended to help them bulk up and grow. And I like that this is the non-medicated version of the starter feed for your chickens. And you can see over here, we've got some very happy customers enjoying that feed. Definitely seems to be working well for them. They're growing nicely. These guys are right about 5.5 weeks at the moment. And you can see that they like to dig into that. It's easy for them to eat. The crumbles are super, super easy even for little tiny chicks to get into there. Yeah, this is doing a great job of bulking them up, getting them closer to that point where they'll be ready to start laying eggs.